Hello. Today I'm going to start speaking about another side of my medicine or my work, which is in psychology and spirituality. People who know me know that I preach a lot about love, but a form of love that is not normally spoken about is purpose. Purpose is a priceless luxury. Having a deep purpose is incredibly organizing for the heart. In fact, if you look at your purpose or find a purpose, you'll find your love. Because what is the heart? The heart is what one loves to do. So in today's world, which is kind of going crazy, I think most people would agree with that. Things are not as stable as they were 20 years, 30, 40 years ago. It's always been a crazy world. Finding a purpose, if one doesn't have one, it could be anything, anything. But if you look for something that you love to do and do it, that'll be your purpose, and that'll help ground you and center you in life. One's purpose can be love, and loving the one who's closest to you, devoting one's life to another human being. Some people devote themselves to helping many people. Some people devote themselves to trying to help the planet, which is very difficult. So purpose, it's a priceless luxury and one should seek it.
If this message resonates with you, there's more waiting for you. Subscribe to the Substack, free or paid, to receive exclusive insights and deeper explorations on love, purpose, and medicine for the soul. The link is right below.